To my ex-girlfriend, Charina, me, we waited long for this moment. And I am happy and thankful na nandito na tayo sa araw na pinakahihintay natin. This is the day, me. We're finally husband and wife.
Mark Lawrence, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa? Si Charina na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan.
Opo, Father.
We're looking at the same stars even when we're apart. No matter where.
Pangakong palagi kitang pipiliin, uunahin, priority. Mula ngayon, ikaw ang pagkakatiwalaan ko sa lahat ng bagay. Kahit sa steps ng sayaw, kahit alam kong minsan may mali, iintindihin ko na lang. Kasi ikaw yun, ikaw yung nagtuturo.
I've been looking for, I've been searching for, yeah, it's you.
Besa! Masyado mga ginalingan!
To the sky.
In 11 years and until now, hindi ako 100% sure kung na-achieve ko na ba or pumantay man lang ako dun sa ideal man or Prince Charming mo na lagi mong nababasa at napapanood sa TV series, mga libro. But one thing is for sure, I will be the best husband and father to our family.
I promise to always support you sa mga personal goals mo, to push you, to inspire you, and to motivate you. And will always be your #1 fan. Pangako sa'yo na habang buhay mo ako magiging katuwang sa buhay at sa bahay. Hindi kita susukuan sa anumang pagsubok na dumating sa buhay natin. Pangako magiging matapang ako, magiging matatag. Kapag nahihirapan ka, para hindi tayo matalo sa buhay, dapat ang isa sa atin yung maging matatag.
Napakahalaga na sa pagsasama ng mag-asawa, ang sentro palagi ay ang Panginoon o si Jesus. Hindi mabubuo ang pagkakaisa, hindi kayo magiging banal kapag hindi kasama si Jesus sa inyong buhay.
I promise you that I will do everything and I will work hard to give our family the best life. ID, doon ako nagbibiro, nahagda ng regalo ko sa'yo. Ayan yung proof. Para di mo na ako kulitin sa hagdan na yan, ayan na. Akyatin mo na bubong natin at linisin mo na din yung high ceiling stains. Pero hindi ko sinabi na hagdan lang regalo ko sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo ito. Pag ayaw mo, pwede ko naman isang lang. Yo, see you sa altar.
See you sa altar pa!
Charina, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mark Lawrence na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Itong gift ko is matagal mo nang gusto at alam kong malaking tulong sa work mo at personal life. Ingat sa paggamit. Brum-brum na Lord, takit sa simbahan.
Possible dreams and then seeing them in front of me, and I know I've always been dreaming of you. It's like
I promise to make you safe. You can tell me everything and all will be heard. You can cry on me if you need to, and laugh if you need to. If before you've faced mountains all along, you don't need to worry, my wifey. We will conquer it all together.
forever and catch my breath. Every time you step into a room, I wanna hold you close and never let you go. 'Cause I know forever was made for me and you. For me and you.
I will be the best wife to you and the best mother sa magiging anak natin. I promise to always put you and our kids first. I promise to give my whole life sa inyo, and I promise that I will never leave you no matter what.
Forever and catch my breath.
I take you to be my partner in life and one true love. I promise to love you today, I will love you tomorrow, and I will love you forever. Mahal na mahal kita.
Hold you close and never let you go. 'Cause I know forever was made for me and you.
This is me submitting myself to you in front of the Lord. Tulungan natin ang isa't isa para maging successful yung relationship natin. At ang pinakalas, payag na akong maging Mrs. Nicolas. Ayun lang. I love you and I love you forever and always.